Hey everyone, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. In this video, you'll see how you can take any photo and give it an anime look in just seconds using a brand new app inside Canva. Let's go ahead and get started. So here I am inside Canva. I have this photo of a teacher, and I would like to give this an anime look. So that you can see the before and after, I'm just going to duplicate this photo, and I'm going to make this image on the right side, I'm going to give it that anime look. So to do this, all I'll have to do is select the image that I want to change into an anime aesthetic. I'm just going to go over to apps, and the name of the app that I'm going to search for is this one. It's called Animeify. It's a free app that's inside Canva, and what this app will allow you to do is to take any photo you can see, upload your image, or select one in your design to Animeify, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I have my image highlighted, I selected that button, and as you see to the left, in just a few moments, it's going to take that photo and transform it into an image that has a distinct anime look. So let's see what it's able to come up with in just a few seconds. There it is. So you can see that there is now a teacher on the right-hand side that has kind of a nice anime look to it. Now, just in looking at this, I think this looks, I think it looks okay, but some things I don't like the nose and the ears look kind of funny, so it doesn't quite look the way that I want it to look. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to delete this, and in the same way that you can generate a unique response a number of different times in a program like a ChatGPT, you can also generate a number of different photos using this Animeify app. So I'm just going to do the same thing again. I'm going to now try to see if the second time it will give me a look that maybe looks a little bit better, or one that is kind of what I'm going for my specific project. And this is what I find you have to do a number of different times until you get one that looks the way you want. And I think I have one right over here to my right-hand side. I have a different character that I feel looks a lot closer to the original teacher. On the left-hand side, this is one that I can use in my project, and I don't have the funny nose or the funny ears. This is one that I think looks good. And in this case, our app, Animeify, did its job. You can also do this. You can click this button, and it will allow you to choose a file on your computer, upload that, and as it uploads, it will also Animeify that image to give you that look for that image that you upload directly inside your design inside Canva. So if you have a photo that you want to change to that anime style, you can do it by clicking this button. Now, one last thing, again, I'm just going to take this image that I have right over here. I'll duplicate this. Let's try this again, because this was one that I was playing around with a little bit earlier, and I had a little bit of a struggle trying to get a quality image using this Animeify app. So I'm going to go back to apps. Let me go ahead and click that, and this time let's take that image on the right of this soccer match between these two teams, and let's see if we're able to generate something that looks close to that image on the left-hand side. And this is what we have. Now, here is a little bit of a word of warning for you if you are using this app. As you saw in the previous image that I tried to generate, you can see that it's not 100% perfect. This one has a number of different issues. I think, part of this is okay, but number one, you see that, well, it looks like there's a yellow team, a blue team, and now a red team. I'm not sure where that red player is for. And then take a look at the legs of these players. It looks like this player has 3 legs, I guess. This player has a funny, transparent looking foot. So does this one. This guy, it looks like he only has 1 leg, it looks like. So it's not perfect, but Animeify is a quick and easy app. It's 100% free, and I'm hoping that if you're just looking to take a photo and give it that anime look, this is one that will hopefully be helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.